In my previous video, I talked about my mistakes and I shared how those mistakes taught me a lot. In this present video, I am going to share what I have learned over the past 4 months of my YouTube journey. So pilots, let's sail. My first learning is that there is no guarantee which video will work and which won't. YouTube hosts a variety of content, including travel blogs, comedy, podcast, reaction videos, time-lapse videos, and many more. We might watch them and think, I can do this too, and my video will go viral. But that's not always true. Success often depends on factors like charisma of presenter, the uniqueness of content, or the consistency of a channel in a specific niche. Blindly copying popular content won't guarantee success. I have learned that originality and consistency are key. I have also learned that titles, descriptions, and metadata, like hashtags and other things, played a major role in promoting a video. While they do not guarantee views, they help reach a larger audience. Title should be catchy. I often use YouTube's inspiration section and ChatGPT for title ideas. Thumbnails must be clear and concise, with minimum text yet impactful enough to convey the message. Consistency between thumbnail and content is essential to avoid disappointing viewers. Keywords and hashtags should align with your topic, and AI tools can be used to generate this. I have learned a little bit about all these things, but I am far from mastering them. I learned that editing skill matters. I think every content creator needs basic editing skills, like adding transitions, effects, filters, and adding basic musics and sound effects, etc. I started with Wondershare for its 4K output, but its watermarks were drawback. Thus, I switched to Clipchamp, which offers 3080p editing without watermarks. And I use Handbrake software to upscale to 4K. While not perfect, it works for me. However, if you use better free tools, let me know in the comment. I learned that I need to focus more on audience attention span. We all know that with the rise of short form content like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Short, attention spans have significantly decreased. That is why we need to focus on this aspect. In order to retain viewers, we need to change video elements in every 2 to 3 seconds and provide in-depth information. I learned that the most important part of a video is the 5 second, and the next important part is the next 20 seconds. It is due to the reason that most of the viewers watch at least 20 to 25 seconds of your video. Third most important part of a video is its last 10 to 15 seconds, because by the end of a video, most of the casual viewers have already skipped your video. Only your loyal viewers will stick to the end, and they must get a good payoff for sticking to the end. Hence, the last part of the video has to be very energetic. Consider this as the post-credit phenomenon of Marvel movies. It will hype up your viewers and influence them to come back again to your channel. We have to decide the length of our video based on our video topic. For instance, length of a comedy video are mostly shorter, while length of explanation video are comparatively larger. I also learned that sound plays a vital role in enhancing video quality. When we talk about quality, we often refer to video quality. and most of the time we forget to mention about sound quality. I learned from my experience that high quality video paired with professional audio leaves a lasting impression in the mind of viewers. I prefer to record audio in small enclosed spaces rather than large hall rooms to reduce echo and background noise. If that's not possible, covering walls with blankets or pillows helps. I also use editing tools to increase volume and reduce noise as per my video requirement. From my YouTube journey, I came to understand that it is essential to focus on either short form videos or long form videos. Posting shorts and long form videos simultaneously reduce my channel's retention rate. I have already talked about it in my mistake video. I came to understand that shorts are like T20 cricket, while long form videos are like test cricket. They cater to different audiences. I released one short daily and 2 to 3 videos in a month. I gain 400 to 600 views from shorts daily and 2 to 3 subscribers from them. But this didn't translate to long form success or monetization. I don't think this strategy is suitable for my channel. That is why I have decided to pause shorts for now and focus on long form videos. I have also came to learn that the amount of money earned after monetization varies according to video type. Also, the amount of money earned from YouTube through shorts and long form videos has a stark difference. Understand this. My channel is far from monetization, but knowing this fact helped me to plan better. Many YouTube creators claim that there is a formula to make viral shorts. While I do not find any successful formula yet, I observed two matrices in YT Studio that will most certainly help you to understand whether your video will start at 400 to 600 views or go viral and get thousands of views. I plan to make a video on this topic in future as well. So pirates, these are the lessons from my 4 month of YouTube journey. You may ask, if you know all this, why aren't your videos viral yet? The truth is, learning and mastering are worlds apart. Remember, friends, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Even top creators like Mr. Beast, Carryminati, PewDiePie, and Bhubanbam took years to reach their first million subscribers. With hard work and dedication, we can all achieve our goals. I am improving with every video, and I encourage you to do the same. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Pirates, that's all for today. In the next video, I will talk about the long form video making formula. Till then, tata, take care, bye bye. See you in the next episode.